so we've made the facility table in the PowderPuff database, and now we will make the team table, which is a small table. We have a primary key, just the name of the team, and very importantly, the facility ID, which is a foreign key. Additionally, we have these two tables in a one-to-one relationship. So even though this is a small, simple table, relatively speaking, it's still a little more complicated than just the facility table that we just did, because we have the foreign key and we also have to set up the one-to-one relationship. So let's begin with the table. This is why I told you to save your statements in Notepad, because we can really copy this and paste it in and use what is there. So we're creating the team table, and let's see what we have. Okay, so we have team ID, which is an integer auto increment. Okay, we also have the team name, which is a varchar. Let's see, that was 25. Okay, so see, a lot we can already use what we have here. Just going to line it up, even though that's optional. And finally, the facility ID, which is an integer, and that's going to be a foreign key. So let's wipe these two out. We have facility ID, which is going to be an integer. Let's see, can we do a null? Yes, we can, because I'm looking at the minimum cardinality, and facility is optional, so let's make it null. Okay, and don't forget your comma there. Now, this table, let's focus on the primary key. We know how to do that. We have to add a primary key constraint. The primary key for this table is team ID, so why don't we use what we have left over. So we'll call it team PK, and very importantly, we have to specify the name of the column, which is going to be the primary key. Okay? So that is our team table with the primary key. Why don't we just execute this, and then we'll focus on setting up the relationships. Okay, so it executed and everything is okay. In the next video, we will set up the relationships for the foreign key, and specifically the one-to-one relationship with the foreign key.